Oh, I need a good day off.
Naka-ano na? Napaypan ko na?
Oh,
It's a brand new day in Roseville, the flowers smell sweet. And here comes a monster you really wanna meet. His name is Henry, and as you can see, he's got a really awesome family.
Welcome. Wala pa eh. Wala mo sinabi incorrect. Kaya ano ko, enter ko.
Have a Henry Huckle monster
Nag-load pa nga eh.
Have a Henry Huckle monster day. Things are going wrong and everything seems great. Henry Huckle monster can always find a way. No one knows what today will bring, but whatever it is, Huckle monster says.
Hindi.
Have a Henry Huckle monster day. Have a Henry
Wala, hindi mo naman magbago. Ano wala na?
you're right.
Yan na, okay na.
Sorry. Are you okay?